So welcome back, track fans, to the YouTube channel, and today we'll be reporting something very shocking that Yohan Blake said about Shaccarri Richardson, the fastest woman in the world 2023. Now, before we continue with this video, in case this happens to be your first time here on the channel, do me a favor to make sure you subscribe and also make sure to like this video. It is very important. Now let's go back to the former Shaccarri that we used to know. Normally the Shaccarri that I used to know is the Shaccarri that whenever she's defeated, she will come to social media and start blasting her opponent. She will start blasting the Jamaicans that she's gonna beat them, blah 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 blah. The Shaccarri I formerly know is that Shaccarri that will make noise on social media that she's gonna defeat this or that athlete, and at the end of the day she end up not defeating those athletes. She's the former Shaccarri I used to know is that Shaccarri that will go on social media and be blabbing that she's going to beat that best athlete, and it doesn't end up happening. But unfortunately, the Shaccarri that we are seeing now is totally different. It's totally different, guys. Shaccarri has finally upgraded, and because of this, a lot of people are saying a lot of people are bringing on their comments on what they think about her, who they think she will become in the near future, and a lot people have started saying positive things about her. And in this video we are going to unveil what the second fastest man in the world, Yohan Blake, said about Shaccarri Richardson. And the reason why people are saying I've started saying positive things about Shaccarri Richardson is definitely because Shaccarri is totally different in 2023, and I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart. I can see the difference between the former Shaccarri and 2023. And let's not remember that Shaccarri made it boldly before the 2023 will begin, that she is not just back, but she is better. She has sent a very strong message that she's no longer that former Shaccarri, and she's no longer come to social media and blast this or that athlete. I've never seen Shaccarri in 2023 come to social media and make vow that she's gonna beat that athlete or this athlete. Rather, she's putting all her hard work into herself. She is letting her legs do the talk this time instead of her mouth doing the talk, and this is what I love to see about her. This is what people have been waiting to see about her. This is what people are expecting of Shaccarri, and she is definitely doing it in 2023, and we hope she continues like this, because this is her way to greatness if she continues like this. So without wasting much of your time, let me go straight to the main title of this video about what Yohan Blake says about Shaccarri Richardson. So Yohan Blake went on his official Facebook account, and he was able to post on his official Facebook account talking to Shaccarri from lane 9, you are definitely a champion. Now Yohan Blake is sending a very strong message to Shaccarri that she is definitely a great athlete. He is trying to tell her that she is definitely great, she is definitely awesome, she is definitely doing good, and she needs to continue with how she is doing it. He wrote it on his official Facebook account saying from lane 9 you were able to win the race, which means he is actually encouraging her that it ain't easy to win a race from lane 9, but she did it.